What's up, blooms? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this rich and powerful fenugreek oil that you can use on your natural hair. For this recipe, I'm going to be using fenugreek seeds and fenugreek powder. Fenugreek has many benefits such as soothing the scalp, treating dandruff, and strengthening hair. Fenugreek has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help to stimulate blood flow to the scalp while nourishing hair follicles to promote faster and healthier new growth. Fenugreek is also high in estrogen and will help to prevent hair from thinning. Rich in iron and protein, the two essential nutrients for hair growth, fenugreek seeds or powder are an amazing addition to any natural hair routine when it comes to promoting hair growth and length retention. Sunflower oil is a great oil that is light and moisturizing that improves your hair's manageability. The light texture of sunflower oil will help to add moisture without becoming too greasy and weighing your hair down. Now that we have our ingredients, let's get started. For this recipe, I'm using 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder, and about a cup of sunflower oil. Feel free to adjust this recipe to your liking. You can also add additional herbs or powders to this oil. I made another batch of fenugreek oil where I added MSM, but in this video, I'm showing you a simple and easy way to use fenugreek seeds or powder to make a hair oil. After combining all of my ingredients, I placed the lid on my mason jar and gave the oil a good shake. You want to make sure all of the ingredients are well combined so that they can absorb in the oil properly. I left my oil to infuse for a week, but you can definitely let them sit a little bit longer. Just make sure every day or every other day you give them a good shake just to combine all of the ingredients. I also left the oils by the window so that the sun can help with the infusion process. Now I'm going to show you how to strain your fenugreek oil. For this process, you're going to need a large bowl. I'm also using a stocking, but feel free to use a cheesecloth or something that can help strain the powder and oil. Keep in mind that you're not going to be able to get all of the powders out, but if you use something like a cheesecloth or stocking, you'll be able to get most of the powders out. As you're straining the mixture, don't forget to give your stocking a good squeeze just to get all of the oils out. You don't want to leave any of this goodness behind. Next, I'm using a funnel and transferring my fenugreek oil into a bottle for easier application and storage. After you're done straining the oil, you're going to have bits of fenugreek seeds and powders left. Feel free to reuse them. Just add a little bit more fenugreek powder to the mix and fill it up with oil and you should be all set. If you're interested in getting your hands on fenugreek oil, I do make a version of this oil that I sell on my website at thegardenofbloom.com. This fenugreek oil is also infused with Amla and other Ayurvedic powders. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested, but I do make my own Amla and fenugreek oil that I sell over at thegardenofbloom.com. Now I'm going to show you how I apply this oil as a pre-poo. I'm starting off on damp hair, then applying the fenugreek oil on top. I have low porosity hair and used warm water to open up my cuticles, finger detangled, and then applied the oil all over my strands. You can also use this oil to do scalp massages, hot oil treatments, and apply to your deep conditioners. And I'm just showing you how I use the fenugreek oil in my hair. I let the oil sit for about 24 hours, and then the next day I just completed my wash day. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how you can infuse your own oil, how to strain it, and also how to use it. Let me know in the comments what you think of this video so far, and if you're interested in trying out fenugreek oil for yourself. So this is what my hair is looking like before moisturizing and applying the fenugreek oil, and these are my results after. But that's it for today's video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my website, thegardenofbloom.com, if you're interested in purchasing my Amla fenugreek oil. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.
Yeah.